I just got done reading chapter 11 in this book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And I've been reading a few different pages of each chapter and putting them on video, but I'm not going to read the whole book that way. I want you to listen to some of this and then read it on your own. But at the end of each chapter, there's ideas to remember. And here I'm going to read this to you. And this is out of chapter 11 of The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. Number 1, ideas to remember. Success means successful living. When you are peaceful, happy, joyous, and doing what you love to do, you are successful. Number 2, find out what you love to do, then do it. If you don't know your true expression, ask for guidance, and the lead will come. Number 3, specialize in your particular field and try to know more about it than anyone else. Number 4, those who are successful are not selfish. Their main desire in life is to serve humanity. Number 5, there is no true success without peace of mind. Number 6, a successful person possesses great psychological and spiritual understanding. Number 7, if you imagine an objective clearly, you will be provided with the necessities through the wonder-working power of your subconscious mind. Number 8, your thought fused with feeling becomes a subjective belief, and according to your belief, is it done unto you? Number 9, the power of sustained imagination draws forth the miracle-working powers of your subconscious mind. Number 10, if you are seeking promotion in your work, imagine your employer, supervisor, or loved one congratulating you on your promotion. Make the picture vivid and real. Hear the voice, see the gestures, and feel the reality of it all. Continue to do this frequently, and through frequent occupancy of your mind, you will experience the joy of the answered prayer. Number 11, your subconscious mind is a storehouse of memory. For a perfect memory, affirmed frequently, the infinite intelligence of my subconscious mind reveals to me everything I need to know at all times, everywhere. Number 12, if you wish to sell a home or property of any kind, affirm slowly, quietly, and feelingly as follows. Infinite intelligence attracts to me the buyer for this house or property who wants it and who prospers in it. Sustain this awareness, and the deeper currents of your subconscious mind will bring it to pass. Number 13, the idea of success contains all the elements of success. Repeat the word success to yourself frequently with faith and conviction, and you will be under a subconscious compulsion to succeed. One reason many people simply make ends meet and never have enough money is that they condemn money. What you condemn takes wings and flies away. Read this book, will you? It will help you in all forms of your life. It will. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.